Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today got here Zaku tank from Motor King Model Kits, a Chinese modeling company. So I don't know if there is or I can say that this is a bootleg, because I think there is no Zaku tank yet as a master grade lines. So Zaku tank here is somehow an original design for Motor King, but of course it's for me it's not good to use the term Zaku tank, since they are not authorized by Bandai or the Gundam franchise to use that term, since they are not in line with Bandai. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. So still, it's a good thing that they do Zaku tank model kit, because I really like this kind of real robot style of mecha design. So let's check this Zaku tank from Motor King model kits, and let's see what this kit has to offer us collectors. There we go, we got here the brown box for this kind of model kit. So there we can see the blueprint or the presentation for this Zaku. Okay, so I'm just laughing about this box because it says here MS06V Zaku tank, and it says here Earth Federation Space Force Mass Productive Mobile Suit. Well, in fact, this is Zaku, and this is supposed to be for the ZEON. And in the other side of the box, we can see here now the Zaku tank Principality of ZEON Mass Productive Mobile Suit. So it's very fun or happy to see this kind of print for this box. And anyway, we got here again Earth Federation Space Force, and here we got the Principality of ZEON. So I think or if I am to recall, if I clearly remember, there's a Zaku that is used by the Earth's Federation in the Stardust Memory anime series. So that's what I can recall about the Zaku being used by Earth's Federation. But anyway, I will just rewatch again this Gundam mobile suit series, and correct me if I'm wrong. You can spoil what's your knowledge about this, if the Zaku tank is being used by EFSF in the story. Okay, so if we open the box here, which I did, and there we go. I just removed the other big runners, because once you pull those runners or the packages, it's very hard to return it from the box. So there we go, we got this chunky pieces here for the tank body. So there we go, we got this very nice colored green runner, and I clearly remember how I built it when I was starting the Magella attack tank. And there we got this gray parts for the tank tracks and the tank body, or the Zaku body. And there we go, we got this gray parts and green parts for the Zaku body. And we got here also, we got this black parts for the inner frame, and some dark green parts and the tank trucks. Okay, so where are the other parts? Oh, there. So I got here the instruction manual, and let's open this manual, which is here in the plastic packaging. So in the instruction manual, we got this one and this decal sheets here Which let's talk about first the decal sheet. I saw a logo of the White Dingo team, which is wow. I was very amazed with this White Dingo team logo. And we got the EFSF logo as well, together with the ZEON logo here. So now I can decide whether to use the Earth's Federation logo or either the ZEON logo. But I want to preserve this White Dingo team logo here. I might use this with the other kits that I have. Very nice. There we go, ESF and ZEON logo here. Okay, so let's go with the instruction manual. By the way, we got 2 screws here, small screws there, and there. This is the Zaku tank principality of EFSF. What the heck? So they combine the ZEON and EFSF. So principality, take a look of this principality of EFSF. Anyway, so this is the instruction manual. This is what we need to build first. Okay, so there we go. And we need to build first the Zaku body here. Okay, so first we need to build that, followed by the base. So I might concentrate first with the base, because this is what I finished first when I built the Majala attack tank. Okay, so I might finish that first. And there we got 2 kinds of hands for this Zaku tank here. We got this articulated fingers, and we got this claw type of hand. And there we go. For the weapons, this is very easy to build, and there, very nice. So let's go with the let's go with the runner review before we build the kit. So we got this very large runner here for runner A, and this is consist of these chunky pieces here for the tank base and for the Zaku head and other small parts. Then we got here this metallic gray runner for runner G. So these are the guns and other base, the tank base. So this is much better compared with the Magella attack, because the Magella attack does have gray, toyish gray colored runner, but this is all metallic gray. So I just wished I bought this Zaku tank immediately instead of the Magella attack tank. So there we go, we got this runner I here for this inner frame parts. Then these tank tracks for runner C, and another tank tracks here for runner C. So we got 2 sets of this, and we got this runner H for this metallic gray runner, another runner H here. So we got 2 sets of runner H. Then we got this runner L for this rubbery type of runner. So this is like a polycap. It's very nice to see Chinese company making this kind of metallic silver polycap, which is very nice. And there we got runner K here for this gray or metallic black runner. Then we got clear parts here for, I think this one for the visor. Okay, and let's go with the runner E here. So this is what I'm talking about, the kind of gray that I encountered with the Magella attack. So this is not a good gray shade to me. And there we got this runner B here, two sets of runner B for the tank parts. Okay. And we got here this dark green for the Zaku armaments or armor, and of course the very nice tank tracks. So I much again like this kind of tank tracks colored compared with the Magella attack, which doesn't have this kind of color. So anyway, let's build this kit once and for all and see you for the finished build. Hey, what's up guys, and this is the finished product of the Motor King Zaku tank, and I was so impressed with this kit. Truthfully, I was very impressed because of the color and the ratio proportion of the kit. Sorry for that, I had to think that proportion word. So I am really satisfied with this kit compared with the Magella attack. Although Magella attack tank is a bit nice as well, but here the color combination and the shade for those silver looks so nice because of those metallic color. And as you can see here, even the tracks there, you can see it shines. It's very nice. And the guns all are metallic gray or black. It really fits well. I didn't encounter any fitting issues with this kit. Everything's so nice, and everything holds together. Yep. So articulation wise, everything is tight, especially on the waist part there. So I don't like playing with that because I much preferred that this one is stiff, because of course it's a tank. It doesn't have any mobility like you know, the movement for dynamic poses, so it doesn't need to, or doesn't suit well for that in that case, because this is a tank. Ideally this should be a tank. And what I encountered here is those pegs here are so loose that I need to put joint tightening glue for it to stay well. So there we go, the joint tightening glue is effective, and now it's a bit tight. I can't rotate it anymore because previously, as I stick this arms to the pegs, they are so loose that I can play it so much. But now no, it doesn't glide freely. It's a bit tight because of the glue pen. So there we go. So we got two sets of hands here. So we got this kind of claw and the articulated hand there with articulated finger. So it's up to you if you like to use both, but for me, I chose to use that one, the articulated hand, because I got the spare gun here. So this is, as you can see, the gun is not the same like this black one here, because this is from the Magella attack. This is the spare, or yeah, the spare from the Magella attack tank. As you can see, he can hold it. So there we got more firepower from this guy, because You got this rail cannon here. You got this machine gun there, and this kind of double barrel machine gun, plus this turret here on the front, plus the bonus gun here from the Magella attack. So this is more firepower. And there, let's compare it with the Magella attack. So the color of the Magella attack is inferior compared with this one. So as you can see, the gray, I don't like the gray parts for the Magella attack because it's a bit, it's a bit bland, a bit toyish. And as you will look at the underneath, at first I was very fascinated with this because the tracks are really nice. But when I saw the color of the tracks from the Zaku tank, there you go. I much like the Zaku tank here because of this metallic black or gray color compared with this kind of lousy gray here. And even the underneath of the Zaku tank is metallic black in color, unlike this one, very grayish, lean gray like that. So there we go. If you are planning to paint this thing once you bought this kits, this will be very nice. Paint is really appreciated in this kit, so I will try to paint, especially this one. I'll try to add some details there. And this one got so many decals, but I haven't applied it yet because I want you to see the straight build without those decals. So there we go. It's very nice. I really like the tag team for this one, for these two. So we got the Magella, the ZEON tanks here, and this Zaku tank here. So let's compare it with the gun tank from the Earth's Federation. So Earth's Federation gun tank here is the body is much smaller compared with the Zaku tank, but this is, I think, much more dynamic because of these tracks here can extend and move, but this one is fixed, traditional tank like that. So in terms of firepower, of course, this one is superb in the anime, the anime fighting. But for me, this is the traditional one here has more firepower, but the strength, this one got it. So there we go. I got here the Zaku tank. So let's compare it with the other Zakus that I have. So another ZEON moment here. We got the Char Aznable red ZEON here, and this Psycho Zaku. So Char Zaku and the Psycho Zaku. So there we go. We got this very nice mono eye collection here. And of course, let's bring this Magella tank for more the ZEON moment. So there we go. This Kimmerman from Kimmerman Campus Studio saying these are all recommended builds. So for me, you need to buy this. This is a must-buy kit, okay, for your collection from Motor King Model Kits. See you next time.